Now let's try to work with Facebook sign up and Google sign up and phone login. So let's first work on phone login. So let's see how you can work on this. So come back to this documentation and let's click on this phone number. Also click on this project, click on sign in method and enable this phone login first. Save. Now after that click on authenticate and here you can see there are lots of things but we don't need everything. So let's see how we can do this. So again back to VS Code, login.html and here input phone, input OTP. Also add one more thing, div id equal to, let's see, here is reCAPTCHA container. Copy this, paste here, save it. Now change this to button, giving ID phone login button. Copy this, come to button, login with phone and login with phone. Then after that where login phone equal to document dot get element by ID, then passing ID. So let's see, phone, let's copy the ID, phone login button, copy this, paste here. After that where phone input equal to document dot get element by ID and let's pass this phone input. So you can see phone input, copy this, paste here, where now OTP input equal to document dot get element by ID. After that copy this input OTP and paste here. After that login phone dot on click equal to function. Now when you are working with phone login, you need to add the CAPTCHA code. Now after that you need to add first CAPTCHA code. So window dot reCAPTCHA verifier, window dot reCAPTCHA verifier. So you must check this spell, it must be same, reCAPTCHA, V must be capital, equal to new Firebase dot auth dot reCAPTCHA reCAPTCHA verifier. After that braces and after that reCAPTCHA container. So let's copy this reCAPTCHA container. So copy this reCAPTCHA container and paste here. After that, callback. So size normal, callback, function, response, console.log response. After that, expired callback. So expired callback function, console.log captcha expired. Save it. Now come to next point. So this is our captcha code. We need captcha code to log in with OTP. You must need to add captcha code to log in with OTP. So Firebase .earth .signin with phone number. First pass phone number. So phone input dot value captcha verifier. So where c verify equal to window dot copy this, save it and pass here c verify. After that dot then function response console.log response .catch function error console.log error. Save it. Now again come here and do one thing. This button, move it to top position. After that change this to send OTP and copy this same button, paste here, verify OTP, save it. Now copy this ID and create one more button, creating one more button. So where verify OTP equal to document dot get element by ID verify OTP. After that verify OTP on click equal to function. Then after that confirmation result dot confirm, then passing the login code or then passing the OTP code. So OTP code is OTP input dot value. After that dot then function response console dot log response dot catch function error console dot log error. So let's try it's working or not. So again back to Chrome and open this page, refresh page. Let's try to send OTP. So +91 send OTP, Here is one error. Let's correct this. Recaptcha verified failed. Expected 1 to 3 argument but got 4. So again back to VS Code, and here is error. So let's see what is this error. With this code from here, you can see it contains code. So let's copy this code. If you don't want to write your own code, you can copy this code, paste here, and let's see the difference. Save it. Let's remove this captcha code and copy this and paste here. So it's working. Adding some tab. Again save it. Now let's try again. Come to Chrome and refresh this page. Let's try again. 91991. Send OTP. Now it is successfully working and it's showing captcha. So click on this captcha. Now you can see it's sending OTP. It's working. Now let's enter OTP. Now I receive my OTP. So entering my OTP 912119. Verify OTP. Confirmation result is not defined. So let's see what is this error. Again come to VS Code. So let's fix this error. So this error is coming from here, response. So let's window dot confirmation result equal to response. Save it. Now it will work. So save it. Again back to Chrome, refresh page, and let's try again. Click on send OTP. Let's complete this captcha. Let's see. So entering captcha which I received now entering captcha which I received in my phone. Click on verify OTP and you can see it's working and I received the data of user. It's showing operation type. Now let's save this data in our PHP database. So here it contains phone number instead of email. So we need to pass your phone number. So again calling this function and let's copy this code. So here copy the same code. It is same. After that paste here. Remove this. Also remove this and change this to phone login and change this to phone input dot value. And save it. Also let's see one more thing. Open Postman, close it, open this page and open body. So here first is key. Let's copy this key. Let's remove everything. So first adding key. So pass key here. So let's see my key. So my key is here. Copy this key. Paste here. Then ID token. Paste here ID token. So copy this ID token and pass here. Remove this double quotes. Click on send and now you can see it's working, but This time instead of email, it's showing phone detail. So we need to do some customization. Again, come to VS Code and here doing some changes. So what we actually do here, this code is for email. Copy the code, format. Let's copy this code. Copy the code, paste again. So my code is get formatted. So here this code is perfect for email, but for phone you need to do some changes. So if you see this here in phone, it is some changes. So let's see how we can fix this. If $user1 after that array key exists and key is our phone number, paste here. If key exists phone number, then we need to do coding over here, or else we can use this code. So this is code for email. So here we need to do coding for phone number. So let's see. Again, copy this same code, or cut this code and call this method save user in database. Let's create this method. So function save user in database, paste the code and move this code top, taking argument $con, then email. After that it's done. So we need to call this method. So copy this code, paste here, and here passing $con $email. Copy this code and also copying and also calling this function from here and change this to instead of email. Let's see. Also we are taking, so here if $email equal to $user phone number, then call this method, else echo invalid login request. Save it. Now let's check it's working or not. So again back to your login.html page and everything is perfect. So let's try. So let's try to log in using phone number. Refresh page and 9192. Send OTP. Verify captcha. Now enter login OTP. So verify OTP. So you can see error in login, so it is not working. Let's see this error. User created variable username token provider not found. So here come to login.php and we need to pass this data to, so email $username, after that $token, and after that so provider. Save it. Username token provider. So here $email $username $token, and last thing is provider. So here email, let's copy this and paste here. Save it. Change this to phone. Save it. Again back to Chrome. Refresh page and let's try again. Send OTP. Now solving CAPTCHA. Now insert the OTP. Then verify OTP. And you can see login successful. If I click on OK, so I will show my message login successful. And if you see this database, it's working perfectly in logging to your detail. Also, if you click on delete, and let's try again. So refresh page. Send OTP. I am not a bot. Now enter CAPTCHA. Verify OTP. And you can see login is successful. Click on OK. So I will successfully log into my page. Click on browse and you can see my login is successfully. So it's working perfectly.